I want to start this competition by calling the first participant. His name is Muhammad Hamza. The topic of the speech is the youth power is the symbol of revolution. Hamza Nadeem.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, respected judges, honorable teacher and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic of immense significance. The youth power is the symbol of revolution. History bears testimony to the fact that every great revolution, every transformational change and every wave of progress has had the vibrant energy of youth at its core. Youth power is not merely an age group, it is a spirit, a passion and an unwavering determination to bring about positive change. When we look back at history, we find that it was the youth who led the charge in the French Revolution and the youth who fueled the independence movements across the world and the youth who stood at the forefront of the Arab Spring. Why? Because youth possesses courage untainted by fear, ambition untouched by hesitation, and the dreams unhindered by limits. Their enthusiasm, when guided by wisdom, becomes the driving force for societal transformation. Dear audience, the energy of youth is like a mighty river. If channeled wisely, it can irrigate the fields of development, education and innovation. But if neglected or misused, it can become a flood of chaos and destruction. That is why it is our collective responsibility to empower the youth, to guide them with knowledge and to inspire them with values. Let us not forget the wise words of Nelson Mandela, who said the youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Respected audience, in our society, the youth are not just the hope for the future. They are the architects of a brighter present. They are the ones who dare to dream big, who have the courage to stand up for what is right. The world we live in today is full of challenges. With the power of youth, those challenges can be turned into opportunities. Let us encourage our youth to channel their energies for betterment of humanity and to rise as the true symbol of revolution. Thank you.